sounds ridiculous. It's still already immediately stabilized. This is like the sickest thing on the planet to have and move around. It's just so dope. All right, so it's so sick. It's such a good purchase. I am gonna go get some new tires because you guys need to learn from me and what I do. When I was driving on the, I probably won't use this single handle that much because I can already see it's a little more challenging to use than actually using a handheld in this situation, like just holding it. I know it's way more smooth, but whatever. Anyways, when this driver's side hub was bad, and I was driving on it for like a month and a half, 2 months, making it knock because I'm a fucking idiot, I think I started to wear the other side prematurely. I'm not sure. We're gonna look at it right now and see, because I don't think it's my tie rod end because they're pretty good. I just think when the driver's side hub, god damn it, turn around, bitch. Stabilizer is annoying. When the driver's side hub was going out and I was driving on it, I think that this thing prematurely wore out. So it kind of just depends. We'll see. I'm gonna go get actually some new Falcons from my boy Seth. He's got this cool ass SC400 and he works at a Nissan Walnut Creek. He's hooking me up on some Falcon RT 516K plus. I don't know what they are. They're dope though. They look sick. So I'm gonna put those on here. And then they'll be good traction for driving around summer stuff. Wet traction is supposed to be good on those too. And people that drift use them too. So if ever want to swing the car, I can do that too. So Seth is a homie because I got these things on there and boy, do they look tasty and good. So the Falcon RT 615K pluses are supposed to be pretty good for track stuff, for daily driving, spirited driving. Wet grip's supposed to be good too, so I'm excited to actually use them and see what they're about. I'm up right now and run to the store and see how they are. So they look like they have a stiffer sidewall so far, and they're a little thinner than those shitty ass Federals that I was using. This is never buy Federal tires unless you're buying the RS double Rs. These were awful and wet, dry, slippery. It didn't matter what it was. They were just horrible fucking tires. So, if I like them for the front, I'm definitely gonna put them on the rear after I burn through these Continentals. But now I have 2 sets of burners. Ooh. Gang. You're recording?
Yep.
Too bright?
No, it's good.
Sure?
It's like light blue around to your left. It's a little bright that way, I guess.
Turn it down on the thing, on that one ring that has the 1 through 7.
Or like get this side.
Or you can do that side. I don't need to do a speech. I just install a blow-off valve. 25 seconds and I'm fucking dope. Ready?
Yeah, fire away.
Come on, bro. Fucking lit. Fuck yeah, dude. No, dude, this thing's gutted. It weighs like 1,600 pounds. Look in there. It's gutted.
Yeah, it's extremely gutted.
Gutted.
No interior at all.
Gutted, bruh.
If anyone's interested in some taxi service, hit me up.
Hit him up. He got you. You good.
Disgusting. Look how bad my hands are. Okay, heavy duty gloves from Harbor Freight are another level. First of all, look at that. Look at my fucking hands. That's nasty. Just kidding. Whatever you guys just saw from Alec, hey, you're gonna have to turn it back down again. Cause it's
I will. I got it.
His IS, this one's still for sale. So I bought him that so we could take that to college. But I'm selling this for him. So again, I have it up for $45. I will take us off $500 off of that. Just come buy the car. I want to get it off the property so I can buy more shit. So fucking pick this shit up. I didn't mean, no, it would no, he would have just kept going like this and just kept bumping back and forth. That would have been funny. All right, little Ed. He had a BMW, but now he's got this ST, and I just did a little blow-off valve install for him. Oh, the turbo sounds sick on these. What it really sounds like is, it sounds like a straight up Fiat, but he doesn't like when I say that. It's a fucking, it's an oversized Fiat. It's a fucking vacuum cleaner, bro. Hell yeah. Ooh, look at that sexy bitch over there. Lit. We're gonna do a little flyby real fast. All right, he's got 35 seconds to record. Oh shit, here we go.
Yeah, that sounds cool.
don't care what anybody says. Ford Focus STs are oversized, heavyweight Fiats. That is the end of it. He's laughing. That sounds like a Fiat. It's a fucking Fiat. It's a Fiat for big dudes. Yeah, he left.
He's going away without paying you?
He paid me. It's such a good camera. It's so crystal clear. Look at that. It's a good picture. It's just my legs, but man, those are some legs. All right, before I go outside, I'm gonna give you guys a little heads up. That is beautiful. Come on, look at this red